Identify the property that justifies the statement. In the first example, we have 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 3. Since the 3 has been moved from the front to the back, that's what we call the commutative property. When you identify the property and write it down, you should also include what operation is involved. This is for addition. In our next example, 4 plus negative 4 equals 0. 4 and negative 4 are what we call inverses. These are our additive inverses. Our next example, 5 times the quantity 6 times 8 is equal to 5 times 6 times 8. Here you can notice there's been a regrouping. 6 was multiplied to 8 inside parentheses. Now 6 is multiplied to 5 inside parentheses. That is our associative property when you regroup. And again, we have to identify the operation. Associative property for multiplication. In our next example, 2 times 1/2 equals 1. That's our multiplicative inverses. And I use this multiplication of reciprocals all the time when I'm solving equations. Our next example, 3 times the quantity 2x plus 1 is equal to 6x plus 3. Since we have multiplication on the outside and addition in the inside, we call this the distributive property. And it only exists for multiplication over addition. 0 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 4. When you add and nothing changes, that's what we're calling the additive identity. And our last one, 4 times 0 equals 0. Again, if your answer is 0, and that was obtained through multiplication, then you have to have multiplied by 0. So 4 times 0 is 0. And that sometimes is also called the zero product property, or multiplication by 0. And you'll have to excuse my writing. I'm still learning how to use this pen.